Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, we'll be downloading top 5 must-have crazy Android app for 2024. This is August part 2 series. And if you missed my previous video, don't worry about it. I'll link in the description below for you guys. I'll throw a card in the corner, which is Android must-have playlist, and you're gonna love those apps. By the way, these apps are crazy as well. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and smash that like button. And thank you so much for my viewers and subscriber who's been helping this channel grow faster. I really appreciate that one. And I love those comments as well, guys. So keep it up. So for disclaimer purpose, this video is for education purpose only. Once that's out of the way, let's move on. These apps are not in a particular order. Again, you can download it. Some available in Play Store, some available on GitHub. Number one is called Data Monitor. So Data Monitor gives you a whole lot of information on your internet users by your device. So if you have mobile SIM plan, you can set it up. If you don't have a mobile SIM plan, and you can just want to monitor your Wi-Fi, and if your Wi-Fi is running slow, if you don't know your phone is running a little bit hotter, or if it's constantly draining battery, then that might be a case that something is running in the background. So this helps in that term as well. There are similar settings available inside your system setting as well, so that in terms of default wise, but this gives you a little bit more information, as I mentioned. Now I'm going to show you what I mean. So when I select it, and then I'll be able to see what app has used data, then I can go select the app. For example, this is the TikTok, has used 1.32 gig, and it has sent 52.16 megabytes. So it's like upload and download speed. So but if I want to make sure it doesn't run in the background, I press open the settings, and then when right from here, if you go here, and then you'll be able to see mobile data, and you can turn off allow background data users. So that way you know that it's not going to be using more data from your device as well. So this is the one best part. And the second thing is, if you just want to go back, and then you have a look on the bottom which says setup, you can set up what you want to use. Put a widget as well, you can do that. Set up a notification that if you use more than a certain amount, you can do that. It provides you a live network speed as well, so you'll be able to and see how much is going, how much is coming back as well. Gives you more information. So as you can see, it provides you notification, and if you go on app, use a similar thing that I selected, it will pop out right here as well. If you're running a little bit slow on internet, then you can run a diagnostic from here as well. So this is the best app to use it for. Now number two is called G-CPU. It gives you information on your CPU. So if I go, I'm going to open it up, and you can see what CPU do I have, how much core I have, what's the battery information I have, what storage I have, what's my dimension of my device. If you just want to find out the information on your device, then you don't know where you're going to look for. You can go settings, you go, I don't know, just there are a whole lot of things. But by using this app, you can see a lot of things. So for example, if it's my 8 Gen 3 processor, this is a Zflip 6, by the way, and you can see how much core it has, and then how much the live information hardware is using. Does it support 5G? Does it support ABIS, CPU type, whatever CPU? Every single information you need for your device is right on your hand as well. So you can see how much refresh rate it provides you. You'll be able to show you every single thing in terms of camera, in terms of your whole device. So this is the best app to use. So trust me, give it a try. Again, by the way, you can comment down below if you like this app or not. Now number three, this is the crazy one, the key mapper. So key mapper, if you have device that you have set up, for example, double click the power button to open up the camera, and then you want to say you want to open up some different app by using a volume rocker button, then guess what, you have no option. But if you install this app, you give a whole lot of permission inside. Then at the moment, what I've set up is I've set up as a double press the volume up for device to open up a camera. Double click the volume up, then you'll be able to see it opens up the camera. So this is a best app. And then how you're going to set it up is if you press plus here, and then you record the trigger, press that, record whatever action you want to use it for. Is it at this time, or it's in a sequence, then you can do that. After that, go back and add actions, and then add action. So what action you want to use it for? Just not only for buttons, you can set it up for your pinch, swipe up and down, every single input. You can see right here, and you can see everything you can put it for. If you want to open the app, expand notification, drawers, and everything. So you can go set it up. Once you set it up, then what I've set up is I've set up a launch app, and then select the app what you want to launch it for your recorded triggers, and then you're gonna have exactly what I'm having at the moment. Double click the volume up. Now I can have my camera, open up, or any app, or whichever app I needed, just by double tapping. It's easy now. So this is a crazy app. Number 4, it is sort of a gimmicky type of app. Why? It provides you a very basic stuff, raise to answer. If you're getting a phone call, you don't want to swipe, but you just want to raise your phone up to the ears, and then you want it to be answered. Guess what? This provides you with that one as well. So for example, beep when you're about to answer the incoming call, vibrate when you're about to answer incoming call, so it will vibrate. You want to set up vibration, you can do that as well. Answer at any angle, you can set up in a different angle as well. I prefer as a straight. I've tested this one, it actually works as well. So give it a try. Again, comment down below. And number 5, but not the last, is called Seal. So Seal, it is a great application to install. Why? This is sort of a great download manager for your device. Again, this is open source, available on GitHub as well. You can select whatever you like, give it a try, and then you're gonna love this one. It's better download manager than your system has, and you're gonna enjoy it. You can select it, whatever configuration you want to set it up, what you can get out of this app as well. So this is a crazy one. If you go into settings as well, the general whatever setup directory you want to set it up, file format, network as well, looks and feel, your interface and interaction, and what version you are running at the moment. So it still needs to update it, and I've installed through Optanium. I can again update through Optanium as well. And by the way, if you don't know what it is, you can go check my videos, and you're gonna love those apps as I mentioned before. And this is the top 5 crazy app part 2. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And this is GeniusX6 signing out. Peace.